Payne's chain process model was established by Adrian Payne and Penny Froh in 2005. The model helps to improve customer relationship management (CRM) by putting acquisition and retention of customers as the priority. There are 5 processes involved in Payne's model: strategy development process, value creation process, multi-channel integration process, performance assessment process, and information management process. The strategy development process is appropriately the first process we consider, as it defines the overall objectives and parameters for the organization's customer relationship model activities. This process has a dual focus on the organization's business strategy and its customer strategy. The purpose of addressing business strategy, as part of the CRM strategy development process, is to determine how the organization's customer strategy should be developed and how it will evolve in the future. For business strategy, a business needs to develop a vision in relation to its offerings. The purpose is to create a goal to establish itself as a key player in the industry. The area of business strategy is well known, so it requires little commentary. An examination of industry and competitive characteristics need to be considered in terms of future possible structural change, including creating challenges to traditional business models. Customer strategy involves determining the appropriate level of segmentation granularity, identifying key customer segments and building strategies to address these customers. If a company operates in an intermediated market, it will have a number of customer groups, and each of them needs to be fully considered in terms of segmentation approach and granularity. According to Payne and Froh, it is important to examine both current and potential customer base as a part of customer strategy. It helps with appropriate segmentation and identify future actions to tackle different customer needs. On the other hand, the strategic planning process involves the presentation of the way for the development, implementation and evaluation of the CRM process in the organization, and encompasses the assuring of that the focus of the organization's strategy is on providing superior customer value. What is value creation process? Value creation process is a process that company and customer exchange value rather than money, goods and services. Nowadays, companies pay more attention to value and how to create, convey and exploit it better. Key elements in value creation process. 1. Determine the value that company provides to their customer. Value customer receives. 2. Determine value that organization gets from their customer. Value organization receives. 3. Successfully managing these two values exchange, which involves a process of co-creation to maximize the lifetime value of desirable customer segments. What is value customer receives? Value customer receives is the value that customer receives from organization, which is total package of benefits that being added from the core product and the product surround to enhance the basic features such as service and support. It is to create a value proposition and assessment for the customer. What is value organization receives? Value organization receives is the value that organization receives from customer association with the term customer value. Customer value is equivalent to outcome of providing and delivering value to customer, deploying acquisition and strategies and utilizing effective channel management. Let's take a look at the example of value creation process. In this example, I will explain it in the case of agri-food industry. Agri-food value chain is split into 4 main stages, which are inputs, production, processing and delivery to consumers. Stage 1. Inputs. Firms in this sector are suppliers of agricultural products and services such as seeds, agricultural nutrients and farm machinery. This process creates value from resources. Firms on this stage focus on farmers, who are its primary customers. Stage 2. Production. This stage includes all of the activities involved in the production of raw food materials. In particular, crop production, beef cattle, poultry, and hog and milk production. The customers for these firms are food manufacturers. Stage 3. Processing. This sector is composed of food manufacturing, soft drinks producers, brewers, wineries and packaged food companies. Stage 4. Delivery to consumer. The main activity of this stage is the distribution, sale and marketing of food products to the end customer, the consumer. Example like grocery chains, restaurants, wholesale, convenience stores, supermarket chains, hypermarkets and international distributors. What is multi-channel integration process? Multi-channel integration process is a practice made by companies to interact with consumers via multiple channels, either direct or indirect, to sell goods and services. It is the most important processes in customer relationship management, CRM. The key to have a successful customer relationship management, CRM, is good in handling customer relationships through multiple channels. How multi-channel integration process works. So, multi-channel integration process focuses on decisions that need to be taken to choose a combination of channels that enhance customer experiences. For example, the business choose to use website and mobile apps to deliver to their customer. When handling multiple channels, there is a need to uphold the same standards among them. This is a critical process within CRM since it represents co-creation of customer value. The success of executing this is dependent on how good the company can gather and deploy customer information from all channels and integrate it with other important information. Example of multi-channel integration process for Starbucks. The coffee's Starbucks Rewards program uses the multi-channel approach effectively to inspire loyalty and encourage customers to continue visiting Starbucks locations. Starbucks Rewards lets customers earn points or stars with every purchase. These points can be exchanged for free food, drinks, and merchandise. To reach customers on their preferred channels, Starbucks provides multiple options for checking and reloading a rewards card, such as phones, its website, in-store, or on the dedicated Starbucks Rewards app. By using the apps, customer also can order ahead, customize their drink and pay right from their phone. Starbucks also wisely uses the app as a customer touchpoint through which the company can share coupons, discounts, and special limited time offers. Performance assessment process should be able to answer questions as, what can be done to increase revenue and shareholders' value? And, which standards and metrics are to be used to measure and manage performance? It concerned at the strategic monitoring that can be used to determine customer satisfaction and standards of performances. If we look from macro view, the shareholder results is contributed by the value of employee, customer, shareholder and cost reduction. Meanwhile, from micro view, the performance monitoring tools can be from standards, satisfaction measurement and the results and key performance indicators, KPIs. For example, when a retail fashion outlet such as Zalora, unable to sell 1,000 pieces of skirts, their KPI per month, therefore they need to emphasize more on advertising and promotion to gain more sales. Zalora might also need to reduce the production of skirts for upcoming month. Another example is standard time for Pizza Hut food delivery is within 30 minutes. And if the rider unable to delivered within the standard time, customer will be given one free pizza coupon for next order to ensure customer loyalty towards Pizza Hut. Information management process aims to answer the questions like, how is our customer data collected and stored? And, how can this data be used to improve CRM processes? Data respiratory, or so-called, the corporate memory, is gained from different sources such as IT systems, analysis tools, front and back office applications. The firm should have a well-maintained IT systems to ensure a smooth and efficient data collection and storage. By using analysis tools, firm can identify what are the frequent problems faced by customer based on the feedback system and find the appropriate solution to best serve their customers. Front office application is any software that has direct relation to customer that provide functionality such as taking orders and provide effective service and support to customers. Example is McDonald's kiosk. Back office application is any software that has no direct relation to customer and its functionality is towards internal operations. Example is SAP ERP system that Walmart is currently used.